I'm doing good. How are you?
Great, thank you. Show me your ID. Thank you.
Like, we're back. Whatever, whenever vlog. Back at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Gonna go jump on the what's that roller coaster again? Oh, Slinky Dog Dash. Man, I'll tell you what, I can't remember anything. So we're gonna be jumping on Slinky Dog Dash. Also, too, we're gonna get a look at the park at night. I really wanted to see the Toy Story land area at night with all the lights on. So it looked really cool, and pictures that I've seen. So I just want to experience that for myself and bring you along for the experience. We're off to Toy Story Land. Join us. Oh, they got the wall up. Pixar Play sign is taken down. No, we were just here. Oh, that was still up. It's amazing what they can do in a couple of days. Okay, so we're gonna try this one more time. Last time it was really hot and little one just wasn't feeling it. She was overheating, so we decided to leave. But sun's down, well, setting right now, so we're gonna try this again. What are you doing, playing Disney Play?
Yeah. Just choose your team. Do that one. We're a team. No, we're a team. We're a team. Where's the other place?
Goes Buster's name tag. If you find Buster, please return him to 234 Elm Street. Also, it's beginning to rain. Some things are just not meant to be. We'll see. we might just be abandoning it. We might just be abandoning this again. Instructions for the Dash Dodge Mega Coaster kit.
They don't even fit on the
Your set contains the following items. You have 20 decorative flags. I wonder if somebody actually counted the flags out on the track.
We're not deciding what
Just gave ourselves a task. We're gonna count all the flags, see if there's 20 decorative flags.
There's a flag over there just hanging about.
Ladies and gentlemen, a strong weather front is now approaching Disney's Hollywood Studios. If the weather conditions worsen, we may have to close Slinky Dog Dash without warning. We will, however, remain open as long as possible. Thank you.
Andy came up with this monstrosity. He's a clever kid. I see Andy's like me. Whenever I got toys, I never used all the stickers. Always had stickers left over. End track. It's top secret. Don't tell nobody.
Remember, seated with all your parts and pieces, hands, arms, feet, legs, springs, paws, inside the vehicle. And keep an eye on your little toy.
Oh, you can't see the price tag.
Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog Dash. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y vigilen a sus pequeños.
Excited, finally.
Roll one.
So it looks like a premature celebration. There's a thunderstorm approaching, so they currently shut down the ride. So, or not. Maybe they didn't. We'll find out here in a moment. Okay, so it looks like we're abandoning the Slinky Dog Dash. Once again, I guess it just wasn't meant to be. But we're gonna see if we can do something here. Get some fast passes to return because we were all the way up in row number 1, getting ready to get on. So we were past the point of no return. But the storm is just growing by the minute, so we're gonna get out of here. There is nobody on Earth. Ooh! There is nobody on Alien Saucer Swirl. Okay, so got a special fast pass for Saturday. So I guess we'll be back at Disney's Hollywood Studios on Saturday to finally ride Slinky Dog Dash. Fingers crossed. This is turning into an exercise on it. Can we or can't we ride Slinky Dog Dash? Okay, so we're on our way back to the truck now. We're gonna end the vlog here. So this installment of the whenever vlog is over. Until the next adventure. Deuces.